to you all to Teledu'r Tele. In this video we are going to look at how to receive work, or how to look at work that's been shared with us. Maybe a teacher has asked you to complete a sheet of work, or to look at a video to be able to complete a piece of work. So you need to know where to see that file. There's two ways of doing it. You can go here to shared files, or to your files, pupils files, or there's my files. I'm going to show you how to do it in my files. So we'll click on my files. These are the things that I have created in my work. Okay, these are my files. But on the left hand side here, there's a few options, and the option we're looking for is shared files. So if you click on shared files, maybe the teacher has sent it to the whole class, or they might have sent it individually. So I've received work to my file here. I'm going to click on that, and this is the work that I've received, and I've just written down a test for sharing just for you to see. So it's that simple really. And then if you press on the left hand side here, there's edit, and that will allow me then to carry on with that work if I desire. So let's double check that again. You go to your launch, so you sign in, go to your launch, then you go to my files, shared files, and there you'll see your own file, or maybe the class file, and maybe there'll be a few pieces of work there. The latest one you can see on the date. If you press the I, you can see the date there. So if the teacher says, for example, today I want you, Mr. Humphries, to complete the work I've sent on the 27th of April, you can do that. Okay, hope that was of use. Thank you very much, and see you again.